What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. Now, in this video, I think it's going to be kind of interesting because I'm talking about cryptocurrency, but I'm also going to talk about a new concept for a portfolio. If you don't know, I have a portfolio in Kraken where I put in $500 to invest into some of the lowest positions, into the lowest market cap positions, and see what they can end up being. But I ended up turning that $500 portfolio into $1,300 by doing that. Other positions have run by 600%. Only investing $5 into that play, turning that into $30, $40, or whatever, right? Turning it into a lot higher of a value. Now, not everyone was that strong, but 97% of that portfolio was positive. So I'm going to go ahead and do another test while I'm doing that. And this is going to be a brand new portfolio that I'm going to be doing in Margex. So this is going to be testing out kind of more of the margin style trading of things, or leverage trading, than anything else. And I think if you guys want to join me on this journey, make sure you guys stay tuned to see exactly what I'm doing, to understand the process. And I hope that you guys can develop your own process. But this is going to be kind of a learning curve, especially as we're still seeing lower times in the market. This is creating future growth and future value in what you can see within this position for the long term, as long as I'm holding this leverage or these positions. So let's talk about this, guys. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. One of the links actually will be for HG Access if you want to sign up for that. I'm going to be doing all of the major updates over there within the Trade With Me section under my name. You'll be able to see a lot of stuff under the Discord group, so definitely go ahead and check that out. I can give you a little bit of example of exactly what that is. So yeah, we just started this section, Matt's Manor, where you can meet me, you have announcements, you have portfolio updates, which I just posted a portfolio update, as well as early access to content. I think that one's going to be gone because we do have early access members over on YouTube. But then Trade With Me is going to be the section where you're going to get this portfolio update consistently to see what's happening there. And I'm also going to post this over in that section so that people know exactly what I plan on doing and those updates that are coming their way if they're interested in doing that as well. Also, again, if you guys want to sign up for Margex, feel free to sign up for Margex. The link is in the description where you can start trading up to 100x leverage if you want to. You can do 30x leverage, 5x leverage, but you can trade with other people's money. It is a little bit more of a risk, but you're only risking what you put in, which is always a good thing to see that. So anyways, let's get into what we're going to talk about here today. Like I said, I have my Kraken portfolio, but this is a new concept to this portfolio. I'm going to build one within Margex, and I'm going to be using Margex consistently to trade, but instead of just with the short term, I'm going to do it for the long term, and we're going to see what that outcome ends up being and exactly how much I'm holding. Now, as I see more money that comes in, I'm going to use that money in order to trade longer term before the market completely explodes, but we're going to trade with other people's money. So I'll give you an update of exactly how much we do have overall, but it's going to be minus a few sections or a few currencies. So it's not going to be, this is not where the starting balance actually is. We're going to go through exactly what that starting balance is whenever my withdrawals do clear. So currently, what I'm looking at in this portfolio is I have certain trades that I made with this. Now, what I plan on doing with this is I'm going to play it for the long term, but like I said, use somebody else's money in order to see that success, see that growth there. So for this, I only invested about, I believe it was $100 at a 5x leverage. So that means that my liquidation price will be $82, which I don't believe it'll get down to that point. But if it does decrease by $20 and I get fully liquidated from my $100 that I put in. But I'm going to be using their money, someone else's money, to get up to use $500. So when it does get up to a level of $200, $300, I now gain, that excess, right? I gain that money for making that trade. And obviously they'll be able to gain what they can gain with the exchange. Now, also, I will have XRP. I just made a trade with XRP as well at 5x leverage. That's the kicker, is that I'm not going to use a 50x leverage or a 100x leverage. I'm going to use a 5x leverage. I think that gives me enough room so that even if it does decrease, I'm not going to get fully liquidated, that I can play it out for the long term. And I think that's the difference maker in investing in leverage rather than, going strong and investing 50x leverage or 100x leverage, where you can get completely liquidated within minutes if they really wanted to liquidate you. You saw what happened with Bitcoin going from 45,000 down to 41. Good thing my new position that I have in Bitcoin down here is actually sitting at a full liquidation price of 42, which now we're sitting at 44, or 43, almost 44. So it's still far away from it, and I'm up 379%. And I plan on increasing with these positions. But even if it does hit a wall and fall down, I still have a lot of room in order to see this flourish. Like with XRP as well, I have 46 or 47 cent price as the lowest like liquidation point. So that's what you're going to see is I'm going to take a lot of positions and I'm going to throw them into a certain play wherever the price is. I'm going to try and find wherever the low is, but I'm going to throw it into a certain play. And then we're going to do a 5x leverage. So if I have $500, I'll do a 5x leverage and get me to $2,500 that I'm investing at that point. And it'll give me room to now use somebody else's money to make money off of that. That's how the wealthy people do it. And I'm going to see if this does work, right? And treat it more like it is a like ETF, where I'm investing kind of at any point to see it flourish in the end, because I understand cryptocurrency will be worth a lot more than where we stand right now. So as we hit certain places, I might end up taking a sell. I might end up selling the position, or there may be a rare case to where I actually get liquidated. And that is fine, but I want to test this all out to see how this will work. This is my test phase, just like I did with Kraken, and Kraken is outperforming everything and looking like it's on the way to probably approach $50,000 in the long run, as I hold that position and reinvest some of the profits that I have in positions. But yeah, that's my plan. I'm going to take everything that I have there right now within my wallet. I have a little bit more than what, you would see here. So I do have Ethereum and Bitcoin that are actually going to be taken out of here. So I'm taking those two out. But everything else is staying, right? Ripple, Tether, Avalanche. I have probably more Avalanche that's coming in if I do sell that Bitcoin, which I don't think I will. So anything else that comes in, I will continue to add to the pot. But I'm starting to trade with Margex a lot more, and I'm loving this platform. And I hope that you guys love it as well. Feel free to use that link down in the description to sign up for Margex, where you can start trading with 100x leverage or take the same approach and trade 5x leverage. But it's a really interesting concept, and I hope it does completely like work out for me. And if you were looking to develop it, I hope it works out for you as well. But guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out the link for HD Access down below. If you're already a part of this and you're watching this on the Discord group, thank you for being a part of HD Access. I really do appreciate it. And so does everybody else that's a part of it. I feel like we're just trying to come together and help people learn how to trade as well as long-term invest. So I'm going to get out of here, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. See ya.